So when we were ready to start tackling some of the things in our home that we didn't love, I really just reached out to friends and neighbors and asked them for recommendations, and multiple friends had mentioned Atlanta curb appeal on their list.
This home was built in 1974, so there's going to be problems that you encounter when you're taking down walls and things like that. And Avi was just super easy to work with.
We've lived in this house for 15 years. We love this house, we love our neighborhood, but there were things that just weren't working for us, and we were working in the dark, dingy part of our basement. So that was the primary motivator, but then more and more projects just came of that, and we really just tackled a lot of things that we had been wanting to do for years. We have half the basement that gets great full light and half the basement that's dark. And that's where we had been working, was the dark side of the basement. So it was a big project down there, moving structural walls, creating 2 brand new offices in the light part of the basement, and taking what used to be playroom space and making it more age appropriate for our older kids, an area where we can hang out, have a family movie night, do crafts, do a puzzle. We did our stairs from top to bottom, which is actually one of my favorite things that we did. Really opening up what was very dark, lots of big walls, carpeting, now feels really open and modern. And then lots of exterior work. So we have 3 decks that we built, one of which, my favorite, is now our covered, screened-in porch, where I plan to spend the vast majority of my time.
You know, now that the renovation is done, it's just so nice to pull in the driveway and see that we've got a brand new screened-in porch, and I'd feel so much more inclined just to want to relax here now that things are done. It feels like a new house again.